Let's see how to sort chats and make calls in Microsoft Teams. Alright, sorting a chat is super simple. On the left sidebar, click Chat. Then hit the New Chat button. That's the little pencil and paper icon at the top. Type the name or email of the person that you want to chat with. And once they show up, just click their name, type your message down here, and hit Enter to send it. Want to chat with multiple people at once? No problem. Just click the same New Chat button, type in the names of everyone you want to include, and then hit Enter. Now everyone can join in on the conversation. Need to jump into a call from a chat? That's easy as well. While you're in a chat, look at the icons at the top. There is a video camera and the phone icon. Click the video camera to start a video call or the phone icon for just an audio call. You can also call someone directly without opening a chat. Just click the Calls tab on the left, then hit Make a Call. Type their name, and then click the Call button. And that's how to start chats and make calls in Microsoft Teams. See you soon!